Hello everyone, my name is Jorge Isaac and today I'm going to explain this code. This project is about on-off temperature controller using a Raspberry Pi Pico and an LCD display, a 10 PM36 temperature sensor and a relay connector to a small fan. So first here we have the code. We importing the necessary modules, machine to control the GPO and ADC pins, time for timing functions, and LCD for handling the 16:2 display. Then the LCD is initialized using the command lcd.lcd init, and the ADC channel 0 is configured to read the analog signal coming from the TMP36 sensor. The conversion factor comp equals this is used to convert the 16-bit ADC reading into millivolts, since the reference voltage of the Pico is 3.3 volts. Next, the variable setTemp defines the desired temperature, which in this case is 28 degrees Celsius. Two output pins are also defined, GP16 for a LED indicator and GP17 for a relay module that controls the fan. Both outputs are initially set to off. After this setup, the LCD displays the text set, followed by the value of the desired temperature on the first line. Inside the main loop, the Pico continuously reads the analog signal from the TMP36 sensor with the command read U16. This raw value is converted into millivolts and then to temperature using the formula, and as you can see here, that formula corresponds to the 10 PM sensor, where 15 millivolt represents 0 degrees Celsius and each 10 millivolts equals 1 degree Celsius. The result is displayed on the LCD second line as MES, the measure, followed by the real-time measured temperature. You can see here. So finally, the Pico compares the measured temperature with the set temperature. If the measured temperature is below 28 degrees Celsius, the relay and LED are turned on, activating the fan, and if the temperature is above or equal to 28, both outputs are turned on. Stopping the fan, the loop runs continually, updating the LCD and control output every half second. Well, here I put a half of second, originally it was 3 seconds, but I think it was too slow for this. So after this, we have the LCD that we implemented before. So let's go to the Raspberry and see how it works. So here we are in the Raspberry Pi Pico. So you can see, instead of a heater, we have a fan that when the temperature reaches 27.5 degrees, it will turn off because the fan is cooling the TMP36, as you can see here. So when it's turned on, it means that the temperature is higher than the set. and when it's lower it will turn off. As you can see, here is on, and when it reaches it turns off. So we can set it here to see it more clearly, because actually, well, currently we have a temperature of 29 degrees. So you can see it's turned off, and if we hit the transistor it will turn off until it reaches 28 again. So you can see here too how it's turning off and turning on. So that's it. Thank you and see you in the next practice.